how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so today we got a sneak peek of some possible future spoilers, and we also have a confirmed spoiler for the August BoxyCharm base box. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on those spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos, and sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the Ipsy August bags. Well, thank you so much, Becca's Beauty Channel. Becca says, first here, love you, darling. Well, hey, Becca, honey, how are you doing? It's so good to hear from you. I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright, guys. I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and get that done. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, this first one is for the August base box. So this is confirmed to be in the base box. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. Now it only shows the shade Cloud, so I'm not sure if there's going to be different shades or this is the only shade. This is the only one I could find. This is valued at $29, and of course I'm sure we already seen this, but now it is confirmed to be in the box. Now guys, let's go ahead and slide into this possible future sneak peeks. Of course, Joe had to put a picture on his Instagram. Well, guys, we see a few new things here. Well, they're not really new. A couple of the things we've seen in like surveys and stuff, so I'm excited because this just brings them closer to being confirmed. So the first thing out of the way that we see is the Tarte Cosmetics Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. That is valued at $23. And then we also see the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Eye Patches, valued at $22. And guys, we also see that Violet Voss Essentials Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. Now, I couldn't find pictures of that. I tried to blow it up so y'all could see it. Now, guys, if you see anything in this picture that we have not yet received in BoxyCharm, let us know what you see down in the comment section. And of course, let us know what you think about the item that's been confirmed, and also about these possible future spoilers. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Angie Mattingly. I hope I said that right. Anyways, Angie says, hey, love, get better soon. I know how tough it could get. I pray for your recovery. Well, Angie, honey, thank you so much. That means the world to me. Yeah, it gets tough on everybody. And I just pray for all my subscribers. I pray for everybody. You know, we're going through some really hard times right now, and stuff that we've never seen. Man, I'm telling you, hopefully something gives soon. But Angie, I really appreciate you watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. Again, I want to thank everybody that donated. That was Mariah, Steve, also Anna. I mean, I couldn't be more grateful to have people like y'all in my life. And I really appreciate it. I really appreciate and I'm so grateful for everybody else that chooses to watch and be subscribed to my channel. It just means the world to me, and I love y'all from the bottom of my heart. As soon as I can find something out, get some tests back and everything, I'll be doing an update video. And again, I love y'all so much. Thank you for everything. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.